So what we have here is the 1/4 of the finished quilt. This is the one block that you'll make 4 times. So in the center we have a star. The star is made up of flying geese and a center square. So to make that center star, we're going to need some other pieces. So we're going to start with having the 4.5-inch square as our center. Then we're going to need to make flying geese. So to make a flying geese, you need the 2.5 by 4.5 rectangle piece, and then you'll take a 2.5-inch square. You'll draw a diagonal line across it. You're going to stitch right on that diagonal line. Then after you stitch on that diagonal line, this is what you're going to end up with. You're going to want to press it back. You're going to want to press that back to come up with half of the flying geese. Now you're going to repeat that process, taking a blue square and placing it on the corner, drawing your diagonal line and sewing on your diagonal line. When you've done that, trim it, and you will have this after trimming and pressing. Now you're going to take this piece and you are going to add it to your 4.5-inch square, having the point be at the square, pointing in. You're going to take the next one that you make, same exact flying geese, and you're going to sew it to there. Then this is what you will have. You will have this configuration with one sewn on this side and one on this side with the points pointing in. Be sure when you're putting this together that when you sew on this line that you hit right on that point. If you go over, you'll lose some of your points. You just want to hit where those two seams come together. Now the next part will be putting a 2.5-inch square on each side of another flying geese. You will attach that, lining up your seams, nesting them, and sewing down the side. Make sure you nest your seams, again watching for that point. Then you will have this configuration, and you just need to add the other unit. And there you have your center for your block. And then we can make the log cabin portion. Thank you.